Hey Kay, it's Lisa. Sorry it took me so long to get this to you, but it's been insane. And this is a very, very powerful full moon. It's on Tuesday. Okay, it's in Capricorn. Capricorn, this is really interesting that you approach me at this time because Capricorn is the sign of shadow work. Okay, Capricorn is represented by the Devil card in Tarot. Okay, so like basically it means that all the obstacles that you've been working on all year are gonna get busted, and they're gonna get they're gonna be removed, or they're gonna start to resolve for you. But so I asked Spirit, I said, what's going on there, whatever. This is Lord Ganesh. I know that usually I work with the Voodoo Luau or Jesus, or the angelics, or the saints, but Ganesh is coming up very strong for you. Ganesh is the destroyer of blockages. Ganesha is also the son of Shiva, powerful Hindu deity, and he brings money. That's why we're burning a green candle. So when I pulled a couple cards for you, this is what came up. So it's interesting because usually you see this in a love reading. You've got the Lover's card, you've got the Two of Cups, and you've got the Emperor. This is you, darling. Okay, the Emperor is generally Aries, but it's basically someone who's taking control of their life. So what Papa Getty was saying about the Olympia, about the egg cleansing, is he said, and write this down, take an egg, okay? You prefer a farm egg, like from a farm, but if you don't, it's okay. Just get it from the supermarket. Let it sit out for at least an hour so it's room temperature, okay? You're gonna take the egg and you're gonna start at the top of your head, and you're just gonna roll the egg down your body. Like you'll start at the top of your head, roll it down your face, roll it down your arms, your neck, your chest, etc. And each time that you do, you're gonna say, Lord Ganesha, please remove all my blockages, all my fears, all my denial. Okay, I don't know why they're saying denial. I don't really get that. But again, I'm just the seer, not the source. But what they're saying is that you've been neglecting your home life because you've been so stressed out. So basically, they're saying that your husband is coming through as a beautiful source of support and comfort and nurture. So hold on to him, because they said that's number one. Now the Olympia, when you're done with that egg, okay, you can try to crack it into a bowl or a glass of water if you want to try to read it. Quite honestly, I've done it. It just doesn't really, I've never really, as many cleansings as I've done, I've never seen anything truly scary. But I will tell you that one of the things that did come up, this is another candle. I don't know if you can see that, basil and mint. Okay, so Papa Getty said when you're done with the Olympia and you're asking Spirit, you're asking Ganesh, remove all the blockages, remove all the stagnation, remove all. So he said that, Getty said that you have a spirit called a stay back, which is, it's a spirit that's holding you back. Well, both basil and mint are huge purifying plant spirits. Okay, so what they want you to do is they want you to gather fresh basil, fresh mint, doesn't matter what kind of mint. They want you to simmer it in a pot of water, just about a half gallon. Let it cool down. They want you to bathe in that for 3 days. Okay, like after you do the Olympia. All right. So like I said, the full moon is on Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. It's on Monday, July 3rd, 2023. Okay, so that's what's going on. So I want you to take the Olympia. It's just one time. Okay, throw the egg away. If you really want to get technical, put it in a stream. But I just basically just throw it away. And then they want you to take basil, fresh basil, and fresh mint. Simmer it in a half gallon of water. Okay, and then when you get in your bathtub, soak in it for 30 minutes. They're saying 23rd Psalm, okay, because the full moon is falling on a Monday, so that day belongs to Papa Legba, okay. 23rd Psalm, and also Psalm 51. So from as soon as you get this message or whatever, pray Psalm 51. Start with Psalm 23, and then pray Psalm 51 every day until you see a sign, because that's going to remove the blockage. There's definitely something standing in your way.
And I feel like it's ancestral, but you know, that's the messages that I'm getting. Okay, any questions? I'm going to send this to you. You know, I have, unfortunately, I got to get to bed. We're still staying in hotels and I have to work a 12-hour tomorrow. Okay, love you. And I'll be doing my full moon work for you tonight. I started the prosperity and that kind of stuff, but I'm still removing blockages for you. Okay, blessings. Happy 4th of July. And bye.